The vendors that we have are great. We depend so much on our vendors, so they're so important to us because everything that we do, we rely on them to get us the latest trends, to rely on them for delivery, to communicate with us. So having those vendor partnerships have become so much more valuable, and I've learned that over the past years that how valuable they are to us, because without them, we would be lost. So we really appreciate them being here, showing us new products, creative products, showing how people can use these type of products that we sell to make a difference for our customers. So it's great to have them here to show us that.